And welcome back to my channel, the Baking Diva. And what's today? Today is Sunday. And what is Sunday? It's Shout Out Sunday. And you all know that every Sunday I shout out a channel that I want to give recognition to, and I want to see it grow. And they're all channels that I really enjoy. I want to mention before I go on though, that with the holidays coming and all, from now on I'm going to be doing Shout Out Sunday every other Sunday instead of every Sunday. So you won't see me next week, you'll probably see me the Sunday after that. So, Diva, you say, get on with it. Who are you shouting out today? What's today's channel that you're shouting out? Well, the channel I'm shouting out today is Simply Sheila. That's right, Simply Sheila. And Sheila is the content creator, but her name is not spelled S-H-E-I-L-A like you would think. Her name is spelled S-H-E-L-I-A. And I know she probably gets a lot of people misspelling her name, which is understandable. Moi has the same thing. My name is Dolores, but it's with a D-O. It's D-O-L-O-R-E-S. And you don't even want to know how many different spellings I get for my name. Most of it is D-E-L. But think of me as being a little doll. D-O-L-O-R-E-S. So anyway, we're not talking about me today. We're talking about Sheila. Now, Sheila's channel name used to be Life with Lily. So you're saying to yourself, well, if her name is Sheila, who the heck is Lily? Well, Lily is Sheila's four-legged little daughter. And she is adorable. I should say, in addition to her four-legged daughter, Sheila has one son. Now, Sheila is a red-headed Southern belle. And you know those Southern belles, they use terms like y'all. How you doing today? Hi, y'all. I can't even say it right because I'm not a Southern belle. I'm from New Jersey. I'm a Northerner. I'm a Jersey girl. We don't say y'all. But anyway, Sheila does have a really cool Southern accent. And Sheila's from North Carolina. That's right. Now, Sheila originally started her channel at the encouragement of several of her friends. She started this channel to talk a lot about autoimmune disorders. And she's very frank and very forthright about talking about her own. She has the autoimmune disorder. She has rheumatoid arthritis and fibromyalgia, and she has been fighting a battle and winning it with breast cancer. So on her channel, you're going to find a lot of videos on those subjects because she really started the channel to help people and to show them who were living with these disorders how you can get through them. And I guess Sheila feels very strongly about, and she always says, you have to be your own biggest healthcare advocate. And I agree with her 100%. You have to advocate for yourself and your healthcare because in this day and age, no one's doing it for you. I have been a follower, a subscriber of Sheila's channel for quite some time, and I just love her. She has a great personality. And when she would talk a lot about her breast cancer journey, it was something very near and dear to my heart. You'll see videos on my channel regarding that. I lost my sister to breast cancer. My daughter was diagnosed at an early age, and she's doing wonderful. And it's been 6 years now. And also my grandmother. So it is a subject that's near and dear to my heart. And Sheila will take you along her entire journey from when she was diagnosed up till now. And she's doing great. So double thumbs up for Sheila. Now, how should I say? I know Sheila well, so I don't really have to look at my notes, but I don't want to forget anything. So if you think that maybe all Sheila is going to talk about on her channel is the autoimmune disorders, no. Not this girl, no. Sheila loves makeup, and she loves skincare and all those girly related things. So on her channel, you're going to hear her talk about skincare, makeup. She's going to do some get ready with me. She will do some product reviews, empties, and much, much more. So don't think for 1 minute, well, I don't have an autoimmune disease. No one in my family has one. So I don't think her channel is going to interest me. Yes, it is. Trust me, it is. She has various topics and videos on her channel. If you ask Sheila what were the 2 best days in her life, she will tell you the day she met her son and held him in her arms, and the day she met her husband and married him. Now, Sheila has a video which I had a lot of fun watching on her channel. It's called Meeting Mr. Right. And she talks about, well, I don't want to give it away, but she talks about a girlfriend of hers that was always trying to fix her up with someone. And anyway, she talks about this handsome, blue-eyed guy that she met, and he just took her breath away. And the rest is history. But I'm going to say, go on her channel and watch the video, Meeting Mr. Right, if you want to hear more about it, because I don't want to spoil it. But you know, I always feel when I do these videos, I do them really to help out other channels. Because, you know, I always tell you, YouTube is so big, and there's so many channels on there that these little channels, we get lost in YouTube land. And if somebody doesn't put the spotlight on us, who will? So I feel kindness is free and kindness matters. So if we can help somebody else and we can help their channel to grow, well, why not? I think we should do that. So I want you all to show Sheila a little love. Cool. I'm going to put the link to Sheila's channel down below in my description box. So help her out. Hit that channel link, go over there, and show Sheila a lot of love. She has a great personality. You're going to love her, especially when she says, "Y'all." I think it's so adorable. But anyway, Sheila always ends her videos by saying, "Have a great day. Make it a great day. Every day is truly a great day to have a great day." So, in the words of Sheila, once again, go over there to her channel, show her some love, subscribe, help her channel to grow, tell her I sent you, and most of all, y'all, make it a good day. So, I'll see you in a couple of weeks with another Shout Out Sunday. Don't forget to watch, because you never know when it could be you that the Baking Diva is shouting out. So, have a good week, and I'll see you all very soon. Toodles!